Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS Wheel Spacer on official channel. How do 4x4 wheel spacers affect handling? Aside from boosting the ride quality directly, wheel spacers assist in the safe installation of other suspension parts. When it comes to suspension upgrades, changing the shock absorbers and struts is a good starting point. They are the parts of the suspension that absorb the bumps in the road to make the ride smooth. Car manufacturers have arranged the OEM shock absorbers, springs, wheels, and tires properly. Replacing the shock absorbers may cause tire rubbing. When the rubbing issues occur, wheel spacer will be one of the easiest and quickest solutions. By moving the wheel further away from the chassis, they create more space from the hub assembly to the wheels. It is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. By the way,
Welcome to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment.
see you next time. Bye bye.